Oven. Somehow my IKEA oven got resetto Celsius. I can't figure out how to change it back.
What's the make and model of your oven? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
It's 5 years old. I think Nutid, but I am not sure. It's got 2 circle knobs and a set and OK button on the front.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Hopefully.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. Can you post the model number, please?
IBS 550 PWS00.
Thanks for that. To turn the oven back to Fahrenheit, you need to do the below. Turn the oven control knob to the oven light position, then press and hold the OK button for around 5 seconds or so till C is shown. Then turn the set knob till it shows F. Then press the OK button again and it will lock it into Fahrenheit for you from there. Hope this helps. Let me know how it goes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.